Hello guys, el día de hoy trabajamos con la página número 87, page 81, and we have these animals, the iguana and an elephant. Okay, we have to color the elephant blue, the ant red, and the iguana yellow. Okay, para completar nuestro trabajo. Let's color it. Let's color the ant red. Okay. Also, or iguana, it has to be yellow. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, it has to be yellow. Muy bien, teacher. Miren, ahí va quedando color yellow, the iguana. And the elephant is going to be blue. Este blue, a ver cómo se ve. Blue, the elephant. Okay. At the end nos preguntan, which picture do you like more? Okay. Entonces, ustedes deciden which picture do you like, the iguana, the elephant, or the ant. Okay. Bueno, nos vemos el día de mañana, tomorrow, Tuesday. See you later, guys. Bye bye.